Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome to today's project share. This is just a little mini notebook. I spoke about it in one of my past recent videos of little booklets that I've made. And I showed you one that I was using this year, but then I focused more on the themes of each month. So I will have a full tutorial once I make more, but I did make this one today and I just wanted to flip through it and show you what it looks like. So I use the mini cinch, the We Are Memory Keepers mini cinch, to bind it together, punch the holes. And for the treasured notes, I use the We Are Memory Keepers word punch board. And I showed that in another video, but I will show you in a future video how I actually punch the words once I go ahead and do the tutorial for this. And then I added some beads. So as far as for the cover, the front and back cover, this is actually repurposed cardstock from an old agenda, and I saved it because this is a little bit thicker. I didn't use chipboard, but it's a bit thicker than just regular cardstock, so to speak, or like these type of papers that I have. So that's what the front and back cover is made of. Again, I glued down this, the treasured notes, and I thought that this is nice, would be nice to put down your memories, whether, good, bad, what or whatnot, just things that you want to remember for the whole year based on the month. So each front, so the front and back covers have a little tiny pocket here if someone wants to slip something in there. So this is the theme for January. So I have these snowflakes here, and this is thinner paper. And I use stickers from my Happy Planner. So throughout the little notebook, I have some stickers here and there. And I want the person to use both sides of the pages. So not just, like the front, to also use this side here. So for example, I added this sticker that says, "Let your dreams blossom." And I put this at the beginning of the notebook because I figured, whatever your goals are or dreams, aspirations, you can go ahead and put that at the beginning of the year for the notebook, and then hopefully you go ahead and meet them and check them off. So this is continuing with the January, and then I have index cards. Here we go into February. It's just some more stickers. And the index cards, I have both lined and unlined. So here we go into March. So this is the unlined index card. It's a little bit thinner, but again, just good to jot down your notes. Some more March, then going into April. Let's see, this says, "Don't wait for the sunshine, be the sunshine." And I thought that would be nice to put on the yellow index card. So probably getting into May. And then June, starting with, July. And then August. Maybe a picnic. Here's some beach themed paper, and some papers are shorter than the others, so I think it just depended on how I trimmed it. So this is probably like September, so some color pencils, some art in there. Getting into October and the fall. Then in November. And then here we are in December. And then here's the back cover, again with that little pocket. And at the very end, I just put this little sticker that says "Remember." Maybe just some important things that, happen throughout the year and to put there. So yeah, So that's about it. Then I added these little beads on some twine. And again, I'll have a full tutorial, but if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.